What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Mastablendz Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we're gonna be making beef back ribs. Let's get it. All right, y'all. So let's get into making these back ribs. So these are not the short ribs or the big chuck ribs. These are similar to a baby back rib that's on a pig. These are typically, you can find these in the stores, the big dino ribs. You might have to go to a butcher to find those. Those are pretty expensive. These are a little more affordable. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a binder on here. I'm gonna put some mustard, and then I'm gonna put some seasonings. Let's go ahead and get to the seasonings. So I'm gonna be putting this Chicaba rub on there. And since I want mine a little spicier, I'm gonna put some of this Cajun style all-purpose seasoning on there. All right, let's go ahead and cover this up with that binder. I also did not pull the membrane off the back of these. You want to leave those on there. It'll help hold the beef ribs. So just leave the membrane on the back. I'm using mustard. You can use W sauce, mayonnaise, hot sauce, whatever you want to use to keep that seasoning on there. So I got these covered up. Let me go ahead and clean my hands off.
A few minutes later.
All right, so let's go ahead and season these up. You can put salt and pepper on here. You'll be just fine. But I want to take stuff to the extreme. So just go ahead and cover this up. A little bit on the bottom. All right. All right, here we go. This is what they look like after I put that seasoning on there. Once again, feel free to use whatever seasoning you want to use on your beef ribs. I try to mix it up a little bit, but salt, pepper, garlic, that's about all you need. So I got my smoker sitting at 275 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and load this baby on. All right. All right, we're sitting at 275. I'm gonna go ahead and load this on. I'm gonna put it on this way. Just like that right there. So I'm gonna leave this on for probably about 2.5 hours. Right now I'm just checking for the right color that I'm looking for. When they hit 200 degrees, they'll be ready. But once they hit the right color, I'm gonna take them off, and then I'm gonna wrap them up in some aluminum foil. I'm gonna put them back on the smoker. So about every 30, 45 minutes, if I have to, I come out here and spritz these with a little bit of W sauce or some apple cider vinegar, whichever one I choose. Probably just gonna put a little bit of W sauce on there just to keep it moist. But hey, we'll be back. All right, it's been 2 hours and 15 minutes. I'm liking the way these ribs are looking. I'm gonna go ahead and take these things off, put them in some aluminum foil, and we're gonna throw them back on the smoker. All right, I like to go ahead and put it meat side down. Go ahead and just fold it up. Inwards. Bam, that's all it is to it. I'm gonna take another piece of aluminum foil and wrap it the other way. And we're gonna throw it back on the smoker. All right. All right, so I pulled these ribs off. They sitting at 202 degrees. 207. So that means they're done. I'm gonna go ahead and put some barbecue sauce on them. Throw them back on the smoker for probably about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm not gonna go super crazy with them. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and throw these bad boys back on the smoker. Catch y'all in a little bit. All right. And there you have it, beef back ribs off that pellet smoker. Got that Kansas City sauce, got them 2 rubs on there. Check these things out. Man, they came out amazing. You're gonna get those shiners that, you know, come through the meat, but watch this right here. Come on now, look at this. Look at all that meat. You got plenty of meat. Check that smoke ring. Man, come on now, don't get no better than this. Come on now, for around $6, $7, you can't beat this. Look at this. Come on now, don't you just stop. Look, you trying to reach for it. But I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Make sure you hit that like button, share, subscribe. Once again, my name is Trey. This is the Mastablendz. It's time to eat.